Hello all, this is Harshita from CAD NEST. So today let us learn how to use data validation in MS Excel. So when you open MS Excel, to find data validation you'll have to data tabs. Over here you can find data tools. Firstly, let us know why data validation is used. We can use data validation for giving a limit for the text or number. So let's see how to do it. So firstly I'm selecting some cells over here. For your reference I'll just put outline border for this. Okay, so these are the cells I'm going to select. Then over here I'll click on data and come to data validation, and let me select over here whole number so that I can give limits for the numbers and between 5 to 50. So this means I'm giving conditions, whereas this is telling that I don't want number below 5 and more than 50. So these are my conditions. Now I'm going to apply it. So after giving minimum 5 and maximum 50, I am clicking on OK over here. So let us check once. 45, okay, it can be given. 85. See, as you can see, you're receiving an error message. So this is how data validation will work. And below 5 also, let us see 2. See, and after giving 2, and then if I click on enter, you can see that I'm receiving an error message telling that the value you entered is not valid. So this is how to use data validation. Hope this video will be helpful to you. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.